Today we are going to make Brazilian-style chicken wings with white rice and Brazilian-style vinaigrette. Starting with 4 pounds of chicken wings in a bowl. Use only coarse salt and mix it. Don't be afraid to overdo it because the chicken will not be too salty when removed from the grill. I promise. Set the grill to high and cover it for 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes, open the grill cover and check the wings. Yes, you can burn the wings tip as a special bonus. Let's burn that bird. If your wing is too white, put it back on the fire. We are looking for this beautiful color. Looks good. Remove it from the grill and let's make the Brazilian-style vinaigrette. Here are all the ingredients you will need.
Take a screenshot now.
Wash all your produce well. Cut everything in small pieces. Put all the veggies in a bowl. Squeeze that lime in. Add all ingredients in the bowl. 1/3 cup of olive oil. Half a tablespoon of salt. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. 1/4 cup of vinegar. Give it a mix. Beautiful, isn't it? After you eat these Brazilian wings, you will be speaking Portuguese or singing the samba.
You can eat Brazilian wings right now. See our list of restaurants in your area in the description.
Obrigado.